Hi students, welcome to my class again. It's a pleasure for me to be here trying to teach and that you learn every topic we develop in my class, okay? In this opportunity we're going to share an interesting moment with a particular grammar, present continuous, okay? But es preciso explicar en español esta parte para que lo entiendan. El ing en un verbo es como el ando, endo o yendo en español. Por ejemplo, si el verbo es correr, sería corriendo. Si el verbo es estudiar, estudiando. Si el verbo es hablar, es hablando. Por lo tanto, tiene que ir acompañado del verbo ser o estar, o mejor dicho, del verbo estar. Yo estoy hablando, yo estoy corriendo, yo estoy escribiendo. El verbo estar con el otro verbo, con el yendo o ando, para que pueda ser el presente progresivo. Yo estoy corriendo, yo estoy estudiando, yo estoy hablando, yo estoy enseñando. Tú estás estudiando. María está hablando. Esa es la estructura gramatical que vamos a estudiar hoy en inglés, ¿ok? Well, now let's change in English because you need to focus your ear to the English, okay? Okay, people. Let's continue explaining, try to explain the present continuous in English, okay? We have to develop this class in three specific moments. First, in affirmative sentence. Second, in negative sentence. And third, in interrogative sentence. In affirmative sentence, we can see a special formula. Look at this. Subject plus the verb to be, of course, according to the subject. Remember, the verb to be is, in present is, am, and are. And depending of the subject or the pronoun, you can use those three kind of particular usage of the verb to be. Okay. Well, I repeat: subject plus the verb to be plus the verb with ing and the complement. For example, I am writing a letter. Yo estoy escribiendo una carta. I am writing a letter. This is the subject, the pronoun, and this is the verb to be and the verb with ing. You are eating the dinner. She is cleaning the house. These are the subject, these are the verb to be, and these are the verb with ing and the complement. It's very easy, it's simple, okay, like in Spanish, okay? But what happens when the subject is not a pronoun? When the subject is a name, a personality, a member of the family, or any other name but not a pronoun. For example, well, when the subject is plural, the verb to be that you have to use is the structure are. For example, my parents are going to bed. But when the subject is singular, the structure of the to be that you have to use is. For example, Carlos is washing his car. Estos dos, cuando el sujeto es plural, utilizamos el are, pero cuando el sujeto sea singular, utilizamos el is. Aquí, mis padres, como son plural, es el are. Pero aquí, como Carlos es uno solo, singular, utilizo el is, ¿ok? My parents are going to bed. Carlos is washing his car. It's simple, okay, people? Now let's try to understand what happened in the negative sentences. Well, we have a special formula. Look at this. First, the subject plus the verb to be in negative form plus the verb with ing plus the complement. In this case, the negative form is represented for the verb to be. So you have to know that the negative form of the verb to be is not or isn't and are not or aren't. For example, I am not cooking the food. The second example, they are not playing soccer. She is not driving a bus. The teacher is not smoking. The students are not talking in class. Okay? These are the subject and the verb to be in negative form. Okay? But you have to take in consideration that is not is equal isn't and aren't is equal aren't. I'm sorry, are not equal aren't. Okay? Now let's start the interrogative sentences. In interrogative sentences we can use a special formula. Look at this. The verb to be plus subject plus verb with ing and the complement. You have to realize that the difference between these kind of sentences and those, the difference are that in this case the verb to be is placed at the first or at the beginning of the sentence. Not the same in this. In this, the subject, in this case the subject, and in this case the subject, in both cases the subject is located in the first place of the sentence, but in the interrogative, the subject is located in the second place, because in the first place is located the verb to be. Okay, watch out with this. Look at this. Are you studying English? And the question mark, because it's a question. Is she cleaning the house? Are my brothers, I'm sorry, yes, because it's plural. Are my brothers singing a song? Is the teacher talking to the students? Notice that the verb to be is located in the first place of the sentence, and as the second is located the subject. Okay? And don't forget the question mark, because if we are talking about a question, you have to use the question mark. Okay? Well, people, that's all for today. See you in next video.